Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's in this video I will be showing you how to crochet a graphic grid and how to change the color, okay? And this is what I'm going to show you, and how to change the color and how to make this one by one. And this is so simple, okay? Many people suggest me and many people ask me about a graphic grid, what is that or how to do that. If you want to make a graphic grid by own design, like by your own design, you can just buy some graphic paper and then try to make something over there, okay? If you don't want to do that, you can just download some application like, you know, creating a graphic grid. First of all, you need to download a picture what do you want to make, and then you have to apply in the graphic grid, okay? So now let's get started. For first time, I'm just going to show you. You can download it from over here. There are so many graphic grid, okay? Graphic grid, you can download this too. If you don't want to download this too, you can just go to the Google and then search it. You have to search by graphic creator, okay? You can just search crochet graphic creator, graphic grid creators, yeah. And then you will find the application for that. And for now, I'm just going to start. And then first of all, you need a 2 yarn, because I'm going to make a, okay, let me show you. I'm going to make this pattern, okay? And this is for the background. The background color is this, and the middle, this heart color is the green, okay? And I'm going to use this 2 color for now. And how to apply this, I will teach you, I will show you step-by-step process. So this is so beginner friendly. I hope you guys will love this. And if you guys love this pattern, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a like, subscribes and thumbs up, okay? Now we are just going to start making this. First of all, we need this color, and then I'm going to make 11 chains, because we need to make 11 chains for the first row. There are a small box right over here. You can see these are the small boxes. That means a chain, okay? That means we have to create a chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So we have 11 chains and 11 box. We have to make 11 chains now. Let's do this. First of all, you need to make a slip knot, and after that you have to start with the making chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, you have 11 stitches right over here. So you need to make one more, that means 12, okay? Because you will have to start working with 11 stitches. So don't forget to add 1 chains every time when you are making a graphic grid design, graphic grid arts, okay? And I will show you the example of my. So for example, this is a graphic grid picture art, okay, design, and you need to make this step-by-step process, changing color and many more. So this is the example, and I'm going to make now. Okay, first of all, you can see over here, this is a first round, okay? That means first row. This is a first row, and this one is second row. And in the second row, we have to make 1 2 3 4 5. Well, let's make 5 chain stitches. That means I'm going to work with a single crochet, okay? So let's make a single crochet in every stitches. Okay, from the second chain, that means in the 11 stitches, 1 and then 2 single crochet, and this is going to be a 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, in the 5 stitches you don't have to yarn and pull through all loops, okay? Because we are going to change the color right over here. So that means 1 2 3 4 5. And right over here, this is the next color. I'm going to change the color right over here, okay? So let me bring my next color. And when you are changing the color, you should have a 2 loops right over here if you are working with a single crochet patterns. Okay, now I'm going to change the color right over here. That means you have to change the color like this. And now we have to make a 1 single crochet in the next stitches. Okay, 1. Now we have to change the color because right over here you can see there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 5 single crochet stitches. That's why we have to change the color right over here. And the one thing is most important, you have to work with just in the, when you are changing the color, you need to work in the back side only, okay? Not work in the front side. Now I'm going to do is, so you don't have to bring the green color because green color is just work in the middle part. In the side part, in the background, we have to work with this gray color, okay? Now just making a single crochet 5 times. 1 time, and then this is going to be a 2, and then this is going to be a 3 and 4, and this is going to be a 5. Okay, so we have a 5 of total right in the background, and you can see over here we are in the next round. That means a 3rd round. For the 3rd round, we are just going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4 from this side, okay? 4 and the 3 is the green and 4 is the next color. So when you are making a next round, you need to make a chain of 1 and turn your work, and we have to make in this stitches 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet and 3 single crochet and 4. Okay, this into the 4 stitches we are just going to change the color, but before that we have to move this yarn in the back side, and we need to change the color right over here. We need to make a total of 3. That means in these stitches we have to make a 1, and this is going to be a 2, and don't forget to bring the next yarn with you, okay? If you don't want to bring the yarn, you can just cut it down and you can just start with the next, okay? But if you don't want to cut this one, you can just bring like this, okay? When you are making a single crochet, bring this yarn too and then cover up, okay? And yarn over and pull 2 loops, yarn over and pull 2 loops, 1 and 2 in. We have to make a 3, so right over here as a 3. And now we are just going to change the color. You need to bring this yarn in the back side right over here because we are just working in the back side, okay? The changing color process is only in the back side of the yarn, back side of the project, because we need to make our work proper and clean. You need to change the color, yarn over and pull through all loops, and you have to make a 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet, and this is going to be a 2 and then 3, and after this we have to make a 4 single crochet at last right over here is a 4 single crochet. We are in the round number 3rd, and then we have to finish up and making a 1 chain and turn your work. So now let's make a round number 4. We are right over here, round number 3. 1, 2, 3, and we have to make a round number 4 with 1, 2, 3, and in the middle part we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. That means a chain. Okay, we have to make a chain stitches. So let's do this. First of all, you need to make a 1, and then this is going to be a 2. Okay, this is going to be a 2, 1, 2, and right over here is a 3. And we need to change the color after making a 3 in the 4th round. That means we have to make a total of 5 in the middle for the heart patterns. So this is a changing process, color changing process, and I'm going to make is right over here 1, and don't forget to bring your yarn together. And this is a 2 single crochet and 3 single crochet and 4, and this is going to be a 5 right over here, and we have to change the color again, and we need to make a 3 single crochet at last, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet, and this is a 3 single crochet. So I will show you how to do this. Okay, this is what you need to repeat. Okay, we are in the round number 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. And in the round number 5, we have to make a 2, 1, 2. There is a 2 boxes. We have to make a 2 chains, and there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to make a 7 in the middle with a green color, and there is a 2 in the last. That means this is a 2 chains. So we need to repeat all of this. Okay, I will meet you at the end part. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 6 and 7, and I have to make a round number 8. And in the round number 8, we have to make a 1 single crochet, and 1, 2, 3, 4 with the green, and 1 is for next color, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is the next color, and 1. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to make a chain 1, and then turn my work, and we have to make just 1 single crochet, and we need to change the color right over here. And after this, we will make 1 single crochet, and this is a 2 and 3, and this is going to be a 4. And now I'm going to change the color again with the next one, because we are going to make next row with this is the second last row for the heart pattern. This is a heart pattern, and I'm going to change the color again. This is in the middle of 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make a 4 chain right over here. This is a 1, and then 2, 3, and this is a 4. And I'm going to change the color again. So now we are in the last row of this part, chaining 1, and I'm going to turn my work. And this is the back side. Back side is always looks so messy, okay? And in the next row, I'm going to do is, this is the last one. we have to make a 1 single crochet, and I will show you right over here. There is a last row, not round number 9, okay? So for round number 9, we have to do is 1 and 2 with a next 1 and 2 with a green, 1 and 2 and 3 with a background, 1 and 2 from the main part, and 1 and 2 from the background. Okay, so this part, this blank part is a background, and this is your pattern. This is your exact pattern. Okay, so now let's do this. We have to make a 1 and 2. This is a 1, and then we have to make a 1 and 2. Now I'm going to change the color, take this in the back side, and here, right over here, we need to make a, and don't forget to bring your next stitches, next yarn with you. If you don't want to bring, you can just cut it down and join in the next stage, but I'm not going to do that because this is a small project. We need to bring this together. This is a 1, and then we have to make a just two times with the green, and I'm going to change the color right over here. That means we need to change the color, and we have to make a 3. This is a 1, and then 2, and this is going to be a 3 right over here. And I'm going to change the color again and making a 2 times single crochet, 1, and don't forget to bring next yarn together, 2, and this is your, okay, you just have to make a 2, 1 and 2, and we have to change the color right over here. Just 2 single crochet, and I'm going to change the color, and we have to bring this in the back side, and this is a changing color, and we have to make a 1 single crochet, and this is going to be a 2. Okay, this is what I'm making right now. Okay, and after this I will show you, this is the part, and we have to make one last chain stitches, and the one last chain stitches is you have to use the background color, and you have to make all over the stitches just a single crochet. And I will make just a chaining of 1 and cut my yarn for now, and we are just finished over here. Our pattern is almost finished. Okay, so this is what we are making now. Yeah, like, because why this is not looking a proper, that means I'm using a different yarn. This is a cotton yarn, and this is just a 2-ply yarn. So for the kind information, you need to use a proper yarn. Okay, that means you have to use a similar yarn when you are making graphic redesign patterns. So everyone, from this to this, if you guys love my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and likes, comments, share. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.